This is a review of the BASON Lighting RGB-ICW light bar station that I'm going to be doing a unboxing review on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we are going to be putting this to a test to. And in this unboxing review, we're going to open everything up and show you guys more in depth about these RGB-ICW light bars. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside. Okay, so this is everything you have in the package, and here are the light bars themselves. They are a dual, so it comes with two sets. And I do want to say that the light bars themselves are absolutely beautiful and high quality. Another thing I love about these light bars is that you can have it placed in two positions. You can have it horizontal, you can have it vertical. It comes with these mounts as well too. So for example, you can have it right over here if you want it placed it horizontal, and you just clip it in just like that. And you can see right over here. Now, if you want, you can have it vertical as well too. So you just pull it, pull it like that, and have it placed one right over here. So this clip right over here. If you have, for example, a TV station, you can have it placed just like that, and it will just hang on like that. It comes with a USB to plug into your TV, or if you have a gaming setup, then you can have it plugged into that. Right over here, it comes with a button to manually control it as well too. So this right over here, the triangle, is like your mic button, and this is your dynamic button right over here. So for this button, it changes colors to different color effects. You can have it in different color modes. And last but not least, this button right over here is your on and off button to turn it on and turn it off manually. Another cool thing I love about these RGB-ICW lights is that you could have it control it, through the Bluetooth app of your phone. So you could control all of your lights like that, and that's really cool to have your phone, and then you can just change the colors like that. But what we're gonna do now is that we're going to plug this in and show you guys the finished results of me having it onto either it's going to be my gaming setup or it's going to be my TV setup. Okay, so here's the finished results of the RGB-ICW gaming lights, and you can see all the beautiful color effects that it has. Now, if you're wondering, it has like two different strobes, and as I'm talking, it's beating to the music because it comes with the music to the beat mode. So if you have like music playing or any sound, or in your home or anything like that, it's going to change colors. So let's say, for example, if I don't talk, you could see it doesn't, see, as I'm talking, it turns on. So it's like into a music to a beat mode. And it's right over here. It comes with the mic button manually right over here. So for example, if I hit this button, it, as I'm talking, it changes to different colors, and it's like a mic button. So if you have music playing, it's going to do the music to the beat mode. Now, right over here is a dynamic button. So the one in the middle, that is a square. You just hit this button in the middle to have different dynamic and effects of colors. And as I press this, you can see there's like a, different types of effects. You can have it to however you want it. We are going to show you guys all of them right over here. So as I move it down, you can see the different RGB color effects. And keep in mind that you can also, control this while you're sitting on your couch through the Bluetooth app of your phone as well too. So that's a huge plus for this product, to provide that, where you could just change the colors while you're sitting on your couch. And this right over here, it comes with the button right over here is your on and off button, so you could turn it off manually if you want it like that, or you could have it in white mode as well too. If I hit this button again, you could also change the levels of the colors as well too, to have different temperatures of the lightning for the white color. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this product because of the fact that there's two ways to control it. You could control it manually while you're by pressing right over here, or you could just do it while you're sitting on the couch through the Bluetooth app of your phone. But yeah, I would definitely recommend these gaming lights for your TV or for your gaming setup. If you're looking for a bright gaming lights for your home, then this one right over here is probably one of the best gaming lights you could get, and I would definitely recommend this product.